Hi, this is worked example 15 and it's on page 266 for chapter, I've lost my count, what are we in, 7.05. And today we're going to use a spreadsheet rather than longhand table calculations. Aisha borrows $35,000 to set up a takeaway coffee shop she is leasing. The loan is at 9.6% per annum with interest added monthly. Her monthly repayments are $600. Write a recurrence relation for n months. That means any old time. So I'm going to have a go at that. By now we're very familiar with n plus 1. I didn't realize I was in orange, but that'll do. R, A to the n. Okay, we know that how to find the R. The R is equal to I over the number of repayments. I just leave it as a whole number. Okay, so that's 9.6. Yeah, 9.6% over 100 times 12. And that's going to equal 0.008. Nearly fell off the page. Okay, so, and we know that, R is equal to 1 plus the I over 100 times 12. I got very excited about finding just the I bit. So this is going to be equal to 1 point. All right, now back here, A plus N is equal to 1.008. A to the N. Now she has repayments, so we've got minus, she also takes off 600 for her repayments each week. So this is the formula answer for A. It's a bit messy. And this is what I'm going to use to go and answer question B, but I'm going to use a spreadsheet. So how much does Aisha owe after 1 year? Okay, so let me have a look at my spreadsheet. I did have a go here, but I'll just do it again with you. Oops, clear, delete. How do I get rid of all of that? Delete, black space, clear. Right, I'll just do it longhand. Here we go, there we go. In here, we're going to say N is the number of months, the start value, the start of each month, and the end value is the value at the end of each month. So we're going to go for 12 months. You can just, once you've got a bit of a sequence happening, you can just pick the black dot in the corner up with the black heavy square, and we want 12. So I'm going to drag to 13. There we go. Our start value is 35,000. Oops, is that? No, that's 350. 35,000. And the end value. Now the end value, this is where we get to write our equations. So we said it was equal to 1.008 times A to the n. Now A0 is here, so it's going to be equal to that value. And then we want to take away the $600 that she's repaying each month. There we go. And this one obviously needs to be a little bit less than this one, and that seems reasonable. I'm going to pull the end value down so that the formula is copied into each box. It'll be a bit bizarre here because it has no value to read from. No. Oh, that's not right. Okay, so at the end, I've forgotten to step. So hang on, just let me take this out. Delete. Okay, in here, I need to say that the beginning of the next month is equal to the end of the previous month. So this bit in here, this cell is equal to the end of the previous month. All right, now I'm happy. All right, so now when I pull this down, it will give me the right answer. Phew. All right, so after 12 months, this is actually what she would be having after 12 months. All right, so the part C said, what happens if her interest rate is at 7%? So I've gone and done the R value again for if if it was 7%. So here is the little calculation, 1 plus 7.5% divided by 100 times 12. So if her interest rate was 7.5%, then this value is what we need to put into our next line. Okay, now you could create a new spreadsheet. I'm just going to edit the value up in here. So now instead of having 1.008 for the 9.6%, I'm going to use 1.00625 for the 7.5%. So in this equation, I'm going to go 0.0625. I'm not going to do too much rounding. And the rest of it's the same. She's still going to take it from the initial amount, and she's still going to reduce it by $600 repayment. Okay, but I do need to copy it down each time, all the way down. So I've edited the top one. I'm going to drag that down. And after 6 months with a lower interest rate, you can see now that the answer is $30,264.41.